Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. It is time for your little bit of Spanish. A question that I found that came in handy over and over again while you're out shopping, especially for those of you that have bought new properties and are furnishing things, or for those of you that like to shop and but not like to try it on while you're in the store. You need to know, what is the return policy? So something you're gonna want to learn how to say in Spanish. So bear with me. ¿Cuál es la política de devolución? ¿Cuál es la política de devolución? One more time. ¿Cuál es la política de devolución? So what is the return policy? It is going to come in handy. Know it before you shell out the cash, okay? That's your Spanish for today. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share. Regular episodes every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on YouTube. All right, talk to y'all tomorrow.